Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where search defaults live. Click the three-dot menu in the top right, then choose Settings. Once there, make sure you are on the left-hand panel or use the search box to find Search Engine. You want to get to the Search Engine section now. That's the Control Center. This step puts you where you can change providers quickly, so proceed without extra setup and prepare to select Google. Now, in the Search Engine section, click the Default Search Engine drop-down to reveal available providers. If Google appears in the list, click it to make it your default. This changes the Omnibox and new tab searches immediately. If Google is missing, click Manage Search Engines and add a new entry with name Google and search URL. Once added, return to the drop-down and select it. Make sure to confirm the change by typing a query in the address bar. Finish by testing the Omnibox. Type a search and press Enter to verify Google handles the query. If the change didn't stick, disable or remove search-related extensions because some override defaults. Check extensions from the menu. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings to default to clear persistent overrides, then repeat the selection process. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure Chrome is updated and synced correctly. Outdated versions or sync conflicts can prevent the default from saving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.